Okay, hello there. I'll continue my lesson from the last lesson. Today I will continue with creating a new folder. Just before creating a new folder can help you store related files in an organized manner. Chapter deals about organization of files. How can we keep our files organized? How can we manage our files easily inside the computer system? The best way is by creating and putting our files under a folder. Therefore, a folder is a container or a storage place that puts our different files. It can be picture, audio, video, animation. It can also put our programs in organized manner. Think about a computer without a folder. You may confuse to locate our files easily. Therefore, it's better to use by creating a folder and by organizing our files. It can make us our computer or digital device comfortable. Not only on computer, possible to create also in your mobiles. You have to organize your files well, but by default, they are organized with Telegram files with Telegram, emo files with emo, Facebook with Facebook that are downloaded from Facebook, or the files that you received from your friends. They are stored under if it are used in extender, they are used or they are put under extender folder. If they are received from Bluetooth, they are stored under Bluetooth folder. You have to organize well your files. Possible to create also by yourself. How about creating a folder inside your computer? The other name of folder is directory. I will show you how to create a folder using in Windows operating system using mouse and how to create a directory using command prompt. Here, try to open File Explorer. On the taskbar here, File Explorer, or on the Start menu, type a file. It displays File Explorer. Let me open it. Here on the left side, there are navigation paths. Under Home tab, in Windows 10 operating systems, there is new folder around here, but I'm using Windows 11 that here a plus sign new is there. I can click here, click on plus sign, then choose new folder. The other way, right click on blank space and give the name of a folder. For instance, desktop. Let me choose desktop plus here. When we click a plus sign, folder, shortcut, bitmap, and others. Let me choose a folder, then give a name. 9 G9. Finished. Enter key. I'm already created a folder. It is a container. It says this folder is empty. You can put the pictures that you captured your mobile from your mobile or any files that are created using your computer can be put in here. You can create also subfolders here. The other method by right click method. New, then folder. You can give it a name. Another name for a folder is a directory. How to create a directory using JAWS Pro. Let me show you. CMD, type CMD. Then choose command prompt on the start menu. On using Windows plus letter R, you can display run command and type CMD. This here is a command prompt. Let me type dir. Dir helps us to display directories. Here are a directory, list of directories that are found inside the computer system. And when they are created, the date and the time is listed here. To create a directory or a folder in JAWS operating system, we say it directory, the container, md space g9, enter, to accept. Whether it is created or not, you can check by typing dir, then enter. Here, have you see here? G9. is already created. We can create using md, means make directory, and space, then the directory name. To check it, we can type dir. To clean the screen, cls exit exit exit. For today, thank you. Try to support me by subscribing the channel. I'll continue next time, next lesson.